Jean Lihanya started planting macadamia trees in 2005 on a 2.5-hectare plot he bought in the picturesque Madibo Valley in Limpopo with his personal savings. 2 decades on, he has expanded his plantation and has produced 25 tons of macadamia nuts this year, ready for the export market.
As a farmer, our core focus is on primary production, and then we get our nut to our drying and dehusking facility. We do our preliminary quality tests. After that, what happens is that on an annual basis, the export factories that are within our area, they typically give a price offer because they've got direct links with the customer, with the buyer.
He plans to further increase acreage and output, riding on the ever-increasing global demand. However, Trump's drive to impose higher tariffs could impact access to macadamia farmers' second biggest market.
I'd always find myself, or we'd always want to find ourselves trading in low tariff markets, meaning that, it's money back into the farmers' pockets. The moment there's a 30% trade tariff, I think the figure I saw a few weeks back was that if Trump had to activate the 30% tariff, then we'd be paying close to 460 million rand worth of tariff at 30%. That's what a tariff means. That's R500 million out of our economy into the tariff.
Other South African farmers groups have also warned of potential devastation from the US tariffs. Citrus growers, whose annual export to the US average $100 million, have warned that tariffs could hurt South African citrus farms and could potentially affect 35,000 jobs.
It's a non-starter to probably think that a decision through America will hinder my plans. I feel that there's so much more we can do internationally or explore other markets. I mean, India has got 1.5 billion people that are also looking for macadamia. So there's always an alternative plan, but I trust that specifically with the US, I think that will be a matter that will be dealt with. And I feel in no time it will be business as usual.
Although the 31% US reciprocal tariff on South Africa and dozens of other countries has been put on pause, Lihanya says he and his fellow macadamia nut farmers are still looking elsewhere for alternative markets. Muturi Kaibere, CGTN.